there go the car. Poof, there go the crib. Poof, 100 mil. David Copperfield. David Copperfield. David Copperfield. Poof, there go the car. Poof,
yeah, DJ Soul's building the number one international party rocket Copperfield. Yeah, my team's out here. We going heavy. DJ Soul's building us up.
Poof, there go the car. Poof, there go the crib. Poof, 100 mil. David Copperfield. David Copperfield.
It's co-star in the building. It's Joe, the singer. Pressure right there. We're about to go and have a good time. To the Evolution Round Series, having fun. Big break. Out here in the team, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna make it happen.
Cause you wanna roll with a real nigga gonna sling that to a Phene. Plug on the lean. Take long on the perk. Now on the beam. Still money over these. Got why I sell my clothes. And blood drip on my sneakers. You hating on me, she chose. Nice your girl, she roll. My 6 shift, she drove. Did everything that she posed. I pulled my camera out, she posed. And I was like, got that, drop that, pop that. Got the top back on the drop back. I'm back in the Glock head with a crotch hat. I'm strapped all the rocks head with a watch hat. Stop that, cause you caught that, not that. I'm lexing in my back. Down tech, I'm catching on contact. Got rack, y'all think they ain't bout that life.
What's up? Let's go, man. America's best dance crew, the 717's very own, straight off of MTV, Terrence Green.
Shut up. Who remembers my come up? Who remembers my protest? I had no food for my stomach. Who remembers my haters when I was keeping it cheap? Who remember the bitches, but them hoes remember me. Shit, had it up so I can't work. You would think I got paid first. Yeah, pussy out the brain. You would think that bitch gave birth. All these scenes, you would think that I hate church. And he said thou shalt not steal, but fuck that, I'll take her.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Chantz Kacey. I'll let everybody else introduce themselves.
Pressure, you know what I'm saying? One half a co-star.
Joey, one half a co-star.
You already know it's your boy Chantz Kacey in the building.
Yeah.
What up, man? Slow T, Terrence Green. We out here.
You know, we just came from the Tuner Evolution car show, Ralph Real concert series.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Showing some love to Big Break. You know what I mean? And we out here outside of Lux, man. You know what I mean? Hard work paid off.
Word.
You know what I mean? We're getting amazing feedback from our hometown, the 717.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Shout out to our city. We definitely put on. Shout out to Phene, High Off Life, you know what I mean? Definitely lace this up tonight. I mean, we about to have a good time, man.
Yeah.
Bro, straight up. Y'all already know what I'm about. I told y'all on stage what it was gonna be. You know what I mean? We party.
How about that? Same time on the phone. At the same time, tell him. At the same time, too bad. Hey yo,
it's DJ eXeL.
I don't even know why motherfuckers is trying to even touch this mother. Pedigree and pure enough for this. You can't multitask. You can't multitask.
Yeah, you know you can't do the remix without me.
Kingsley, we out here, man. Global Lux is going down.
that 550, I'm talking about them M's. All black Phantom, white seats. I killed them, bring them white sheets. Said, ooh, I think she like me, cause I caught me backs like white tees. I'm in times, people.